Hello everyone, today, I'm excited to share with you a smart diagnostic device, Xhorse CLOUD SMART. If you're a locksmith, and you have an order where BOM YFEM coding is lost with no way to recover it, but you don't have the BIM tool and vehicle diagnostic software, does that mean you'll lose the customer just because lack the equipment? What if you had many professional diagnostic and programming tools? Wouldn't you want to make the most out of your tools and earn extra money? CLOUD SMART makes it easy. Remote diagnostic devices are usually split into two types: remote service devices Mode B and remote repair devices Mode C. Traditionally, users are limited to one function after purchase. The new Xhorse CLOUD SMART combines both Mode B and Mode C, allowing users to switch freely between them. By leveraging IoT and Internet technologies, we've created a cloud platform centered around services. We've also introduced a remote service expert model to support maintenance, diagnostics, and repairs for automotive customers. Large auto repair shops use it in Mode B, while smaller shops or key programming shops use it in Mode C. Local mode, used for diagnostics with original manufacturer software. Customers with repair needs connect the cloud device to the car and switch to Mode C. Those offering remote services enter Mode B. After entering the Mode C ID, Mode B can perform remote diagnostics, programming, coding, and matching. Mode C users can post tasks on the Xhorse app to request remote diagnostic support. Mode B users can browse the demand square to find remote service tasks. Take BOM YFEM coding loss as an example. The Key Tool Plus works as Mode C to connect with the BOM YFEM module. CLOUD SMART serves as Mode B, connecting with BOM Y tools and the computer. In this way, Xhorse CLOUD SMART links Mode B and Mode C together. Mode B can perform remote diagnostics on the vehicle. Step 1. Connect the device. Mode C. Connect the Key Tool Plus to the vehicle's OBD port, and switch to CLOUD SMART Mode C. Send the generated ID to the Mode B. Mode B. Connect the CLOUD SMART BIM Tool Pro to the computer. Switch to CLOUD SMART Mode B. Input the known ID to connect to Mode C for diagnostics. Open the BIM Tool Pro software. Locate Auto in the drop-down menu and click on Connect Car. Step 2. Calculating programming files. In the software, click on Vehicle Programming, 40, FEM, Calculate Programming File. Note, the target ISTIFIN left should be the same as the shipment date. Step 3. Programming. The gray area indicates the module's current version information. The orange area indicates the calculated programmable version information. Click Programming to proceed. Note: after programming is completed, read the vehicle's DTCs and clear them. Step 4. Key learning. After clearing the DTCs, proceed with FEM. BDC key learning and you can see the coding and key position info have been restored. Thanks for watching. See you next time.